Hey everyone, so welcome back. We finally got our shipment of the shelf. It took a day longer than we thought, so I thought I was going to have it in the other video, but I figured just make a new video to show you. So it wasn't too bad putting it together, a little bit difficult if you're doing it by yourself. If you have two people, it's much easier. So I just wanted to show you how we are now going to store all of our filament that is open. This is a great way if you have a lot of it and you want something sturdy to store all your stuff. So let's take a look. All right, so this is what our shelf looks like now. So if you remember before, we had 4 smaller and shorter shelves. This allows us to have between 11 and 12 rolls in each of the shelves. So we've just kind of put them in based on the colors. We have a couple duplicates, but as we open more of these boxes, we will add more to the open shelving. So that is now our new storage unit. We've actually attached it to the back shelving just so that it's a little bit more sturdy, especially with so much weight on it. We're hoping that this is going to solve our space issue. The other ones were a great starter. There's one of our printers going off right now. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like and subscribe so that you can see more of it. I've got some really cool builds that we've just actually finished and are almost finished. So I definitely want to show you those sneak peeks that are going to hopefully be at our upcoming show in, I believe it's April. And I hope that you are enjoying our journey. Thanks so much.